Hello, this is Mike Janulitis, owner of Cornerable Software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure Cornerable Server Manager to monitor a server with SNMP. Before we get started, I'm recording videos on a regular basis, so if you would like to be notified each time I release a new video, please subscribe to my channel by selecting subscribe below the video. There are two ways in which Cornerable can monitor a server. The software can either pull values by way of SNMP Get commands or receive traps through the Windows SNMP service. Finally, Cornerable can fire its own SNMP traps, which is how I'm going to show off trap subscriptions. First, we need to install the Windows SNMP service. The instructions differ depending on the version of Windows Server or Workstation, so I'm not going to go through how to install the service on each OS. However, on Server 2016, it's as simple as adding the SNMP service feature. Once installed, we need to configure the service via the Services control panel. Open a command prompt and type services.msc. Locate the SNMP service and open the Properties dialog. Select the Agent tab, specify a contact, specify a location. Select the Traps tab, specify a community name, and add a trap destination. Select the Security tab, click the Add button, select Read Only, and specify a community name. Select Accept SNMP packets from these hosts and add the local host. Click OK. Now, back in Cornerable, let's create an SNMP monitor. Select File, New, Template. Expand Miscellaneous, then select SNMP Get Monitor. Specify a friendly name, specify a schedule, then select the Monitor tab. Select the local host, then click Configure SNMP Server Connection. Select Enable, specify the community names, then click the Test button. If we receive the value, then we know that we have the Windows SNMP service set up correctly. Specify an OID that you know that you're trying to monitor. In this case, I know the ID ahead of time, and I'm going to specify the name as hardware. And this particular OID is a string format. And if it contains the word Intel, I'm going to trigger the alert. Lastly, click the Test button. And again, we can see the value. In the Actions tab, I'm going to go and select Display Message Box so we can see this, and then click Apply. Now back in the Object Explorer, right-click on the computer name, select the template, right-click, and select Execute Now. And there we can see that the SNMP Get has triggered. Okay, that's SNMP Gets. Now let's configure an SNMP Trap. First, let's verify we can send our own traps. To do that, I need to open the SNMP Trap Viewer. Select View SNMP Traps. Next, I have pre-installed an SNMP Trap action which I'm going to use. Expand Actions, then Miscellaneous, then right-click on Fire SNMP Trap and select Properties. I'm going to split the screen so I can see the trap come through. Finally, click the Test button, and there we can see the SNMP Trap is fired. So now that we know we have SNMP traps working, let's monitor the trap. Select File, New, Template, expand Miscellaneous, then select SNMP Traps. specify a friendly name, and then specify an OID. This will catch just about everything. Now select the Actions tab, and I'm going to select the message box action again. Lastly, I need to assign the host. Since this is a real-time monitor, all I need to do is trigger the trap. Let's go back to our SNMP trap we tested earlier and trigger it again. We can see our message box alert contains the contents of our SNMP trap action. And that's SNMP trap monitoring with Cornerball. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like it.